what you guys have to do is, I'm going to ask something about Kareena.
I have to write it.
You both have to write. Like
Not
when I
say
ask, not say it. You both have to write and then show the answer to the camera. And you will be marked on how well you know Kareena. Like if
Obviously.
the same, obviously. So the same answer, the answer will be correct as well.
Okay.
So Kareena's least favorite vegetable.
यार मैं उनके साथ रहता थोड़ी ना कि रोज खाना खा के चेक करूंगा. एक सेकंड.
Just
Don't look, Arjun.
पंजाबी है तो कुछ चीजें पता होंगी मुझे उसको. ये अभी दिखाना है.
yes.
So now-
done.
हाँ.
Yeah, you'll have to show it to the camera and let's see.
मतलब
Does it right?
करेला.
I love Karela. I hate gobi.
Oh God, cauliflower. अच्छा ठीक.
Okay.
I was going to write Kareena first. फिर करेला.
This one's for Arjun. One dish Arjun can get enough of.
This she'll know 100%. 100% she'll know.
Just thinking.
Now I put pressure on her, so she was writing
Why did you
something.
write something else?
Punjabis will know another Punjabi trait.
White smile on her face. She's got it.
Because she started thinking about the food. She's got hungry.
Yeah, because it's you, I don't know.
Okay, so show.
Mutton, correct.
You say-
Yeah, mutton.
Achha.
Lal mas, yeah.
Yeah,
Lal mas, so mutton.
mutton.
She's right.
Okay.
I said pizza or mutton, but it's mutton.
Pizza, I don't know, but about mutton was a definite. So.
Okay. Apart from Saif, who's most likely to be on Kareena's speed dial?
That's very, matlab,
You just guess, yeah. I wouldn't obviously expect like a perfect answer.
no.
On my speed dial list.
Speed dial, so there are two names actually.
Options.
There. Chalo, I have written it. Kotri जो बैठेगी. The Lolo and. See, exactly, I was bang on.
It's not bad.
Oh,
Exact.
Now you're equal.
Yeah, look at it. We know each other quite well, yeah.
सब्जी वब्जी का नहीं
Quite
पता.
obviously.
सब्जी वब्जी का नहीं पता मैडम, but ये पता. हाँ.
Okay. If Arjun was on a date, what is he most likely to order? Indian, Italian, or continental?
ये तो मुझे खुद नहीं पता.
On a date?
और डेट पे तो जा ही नहीं सकते आजकल यार.
ठीक है, if you're
Indian, Italian, or continental?
maybe you all went to the restaurant together and you noticed what you ordered, what you like.
I would order घर का खाना. No.
I've written continental.
I was
huh?
about to write continental, but then the spelling is too long. So correct. You are
Continental?
correct. Correct.
She's winning it, yeah.
I was going to type it, but the spelling, it would have taken me ages.
Okay, now on to Kareena. How many pair of high heels do you think she has?
But you can't count those. There must be too many to count.
I wouldn't expect
But even
her.
she wouldn't know, no?
Yeah,
You know?
Like maybe a round figure?
Around, well, what is the margin?
Give a bracket, any, like whatever you think.
50 तो होंगे.
50, 60.
60.
Not bad. Listen, we know each other very well.
मुझे इनकी heels के बारे में पता और कुछ.
Figuring out not compatible or something.
और
If Arjun was an Indian dish himself,
What is this?
what would he
मैं
be?
क्या
Like
सब्जी
if you had to
मंडी हूँ?
name it. No, if you had to name
What dish he most resembles?
What dish?
What dish?
Yeah.
मतलब
You
खाने
have to
की.
associate Arjun with an Indian dish.
यार मैं अपनी तारीफ कैसे करूं?
Yeah.
Do nothing.
मैं अपने आप मैं कैसे दिखता हूँ? Dish. Like cooked. They normally ask you vegetables and fruits what you resemble.
You want you
No,
to
any
say dish.
Like you have these.
Jungly mutton. She has called me a jungly mutton. Yeah, that is the closest thing I resemble. I have to give her the marks for that. I'm jungly and I love mutton. So yeah, jungly mutton. ये
Okay.
क्या खाना खजाना बना दिया तुमने?
If Kareena had a cookery show, what would it be called?
Why do we have to write it? Yeah. Why don't we just say it? Chilling with Kareena.
I've been obsessed with food.
But my title is better. I think mine is much.
Chilling with
Like you have your name brand associated.
No, you would not be cooking.
But obsessed with food because I'm a foodie.
You would
Yeah.
only be eating. You wouldn't be cooking. That's why I said chilling.
Okay. What is Arjun's comfort food?
Please get.
Arjun, what is your comfort food? Yeah, I don't know. Must be eating pizza, burgers,
No. Think.
chocolate cake.
Think of something.
It's
I've
dessert.
said it. You have read it, na?
No, but I
Yeah.
know it's dessert.
Yeah. She's too lazy to write also.
But it is a.
Lastly, batata vada or burger. What would Kareena go with if she had to win a play?
Vada pav.
I've written burger.
See, but you're useless.
But I love
I'm telling you how desi
burger.
you are. Love for desi food.
But I'm obsessed
Burger,
with burger and fries.
Okay, good.
Edit में burger डाल देना.
Okay, that was nice.
अरे
that was
खाना
fun.
खाना.
Not bad.
This was one segment and it was more about food because we've seen you.
इनको और मुझे खाने में आप कुछ भी खिला दो हम वैसे ही खा लेंगे.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. So if there was vada pav, she would eat vada pav and the burger.
Both.
So would, yeah, so would I.